So if you put the match here, like that, between it, it gives just a little, area to breathe, I suppose, for the button, so that it will be able to go in to the buttonhole. So I'm going in like that.
You're just going on one side right now?
On one side at the moment.
Yeah, from top to bottom.
Yeah, and the match is in between, so the button and the garment. So now you can see that there's a gap. It's loose. Can you see that?
There's a bit of give there.
There's a bit of give.
Put under pressure when it's
Exactly. But the reason we do that is then we go in here with your needle and thread to here, and you then wrap it around this a few times like that. Okay? And then it creates a little shank, and then you go in through the shank a few times just to secure it, and then and you can just tidy up any threads that there are. That doesn't look too bad.
No, it looks great.
And then let's see if does it work. And there you have that.